Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password for your Valorant account. So let's get started right away. First of all, make sure to log into your Valorant account. Open up the Valorant application from your device and enter your Riot Games account's credentials to log in. After signing into Valorant account main homepage, click on the human icon at the top right hand corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on the account details option, which will then take you to a website. Here, you can manage your account information. Scroll down from this page and then you will be able to see this Riot account sign in option. To change your password, enter your current password in the text box right under change password and then enter the new password on the next field. Confirm the new password by retyping it again on the next field. And finally click on save changes and you will be able to change your password for your Valorant account. Next time you log into your Valorant account, you will now need to enter the newly created password. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.